Have you ever wondered how simply looking at a screen can pay for your coffee? Welcome to the future of commerce with facial recognition payment. Facial recognition payment is rapidly changing how we transact. It's an innovative, contactless solution leveraging biometrics for authentication. At its core, facial recognition payment allows customers to authorize transactions by simply having their face scanned at a point-of-sale terminal. The primary benefits are speed and convenience. It eliminates fumbling for wallets, cards, or phones, making checkout much faster and completely hands-free. Before you can use this feature, you must enroll. This is where your unique biometric data is first collected and secured. The registration process typically involves using a secure app or dedicated terminal to take a detailed, high-resolution scan of your face. This unique facial scan is then securely linked to your preferred payment method, whether that's a credit card, debit card, or a digital wallet account. The core of the system relies on advanced biometric scanning technology to map and understand your unique facial structure. The system converts the complex facial data into a unique encrypted digital code, often called a biometric template. This template is what is stored, not the image of your face. The real magic happens at the point of sale. Let's look at how verification takes place when you are ready to pay. To start a transaction, you simply look into the camera integrated into the POS terminal. The system immediately captures your live facial data. The live facial scan is then instantly compared against the stored biometric template linked to your account. This is the authentication step. Advanced systems include liveness detection, ensuring it's a real person and not a photo or mask, which is crucial for preventing fraud. Once your identity is verified, the system moves swiftly to finalize the purchase. The payment is authorized and processed using the linked card or account, just like any other digital transaction. You'll receive an immediate confirmation on the terminal screen, letting you know your purchase was successful and you're good to go. Given the sensitive nature of biometric data, security and privacy are paramount in these systems. Biometric templates are heavily encrypted and stored on secure servers, making them unusable even if a breach were to occur, unlike simple passwords. The industry is constantly working to address privacy concerns through clear policies, focusing on data minimization and transparency regarding how biometric data is handled and used. Facial recognition payment represents a significant leap forward in transaction technology. In short, enroll your face, which is converted to an encrypted template, and then the POS camera matches the live scan to this template to authorize payment. As technology improves and regulatory clarity increases, expect to see facial recognition payment becoming a standard option across various retail and service sectors globally.